नमस्ते सबैजनालाई। आज हामी डिजिजको पास्ट क्वेसनको पार्ट 2 गर्न गइरहेका छौँ। पार्ट 1 मा फर्स्ट 20 भिडियोजहरू सल्भ भइसक्यो र रिमेनिङ 20 भिडियो आज सल्भ गर्नेछौँ। विच अफ द फलोइङ has a high risk of getting AIDS? Option A, color blind, B, night blind, C, hemophilic, D, all of the above. In hemophilic person, there is excessive bleeding through minor cord. That's why hemophilic person is at higher risk of getting AIDS. There are two types of hemophilia, hemophilia A and hemophilia B. Hemophilia is caused by clotting factor 8. Hemophilia B caused by clotting factor B 9. Hemophilia B is also called Christmas disease. Christmas disease. 22. Who among the following has the highest probability of infection with AIDS? Option A, physician, B, surgeon, C, pediatrician, D, psychiatrist. Surgeon have to face surgery, so there is chance transmission of AIDS from blood of patient. That's why surgeon is at higher risk of getting infection with AIDS. 23. Tattoo may lead to the transmission of if एउटै उपकरणले ट्याटू खोप्यो with AIDS infected person and then to AIDS non-infected person, then the non-infected person gets infection of AIDS. STD is transmitted by sex. Typhoid is transmitted by fecal-oral route. Fecal-oral route. So tattoo may lead to the transmission of AIDS. 24. Major group of cells depicted in AIDS is AIDS affects helper T lymphocyte. There are two types of helper T lymphocyte, CD4 and CD8. In normal condition, CD4 is to CD8 is equal to 2:1. However, in AIDS infected person, this changes to 1:2. 25. In AIDS patient, which one is common? In AIDS patient, tuberculosis is common, which is caused by Mycobacterium avium. The major cause of death in AIDS patient is TB, caused by Mycobacterium avium. 26. Which of the following does the AIDS virus lacks? AIDS virus attack. AIDS virus attack helper T cell which contain CD4 and CD8. Mostly attacked CD4. 27. Recent study done among intravenous drug users in Kathmandu Valley revealed that 70% of them are HIV positive. What will be your priority program to prevent further transmission of HIV among the drug users? Kathmandu Valley को intravenous drug user को स्टडी गर्दा 70% भन्दा बढी HIV पोजिटिभ छन्। फर्दर HIV को ट्रान्समिसन रोक्नका लागि कस्तो प्रोग्राम सञ्चालन गर्नुपर्छ भनेर क्वेशन सोधेको छ। अप्सन ए, एडभाइस टु स्विच ओभर टु सब्स्टिट्युट थेरापी, बी, रिहेबिलिटेट इन सेन्टर, सी, स्टेराइल सिरिन्ज एन्ड निडल एक्सचेन्ज प्रोग्राम, डी, डिटॉक्सिफिकेसन थेरापी। Sterile syringe and needle exchange program is the best for controlling further transmission of AIDS. HIV can be transmitted by all except there are three ways for transmission of HIV. One is sexual intercourse, in which transmission probability of transmission is 0.01 to 1%. Homosexuals are at higher risk. That is so anal sex is at higher risk than vaginal. Second is blood contact. Chances of transmission is more than 90%. And the last one, that is third, is vertical contact. Vertical, from mother to child, in which the transmission rate is 30%, near to 30%. An infected mother can transmit AIDS to her child during pregnancy and during breastfeeding. Therefore, HIV can be transmitted by all except saliva. HIV is not transmitted by saliva. Immunity fluidबाट पनि हुन्छ, ब्लडबाट हुन्छ, semenबाट पनि हुन्छ. Now 29. The seroconversion test of AIDS occurs positive at about the time period in between entry of HIV virus and the time in which AIDS occurs positive is called window period, which is 8 weeks. The incorrect statement about AIDS is option A, person appears well till 2 years of infection. B, a risk of transmission from mother to fetus is about 30%. C, virus affects CD4 cells. D, confirmatory test is usually the Western blot test. For the person to appear well, the immune system, it depends on immune system, that is immunity, so it is incorrect. Risk of transmission from mother to fetus is 30%. Blood contact, there is transmission of 90%. Sexual intercourse, there is transmission of 0.01 to 1%. Virus affects CD4 cells, which is helper T cells. Confirmatory test is Western blot. Yes. Screening test is ELISA test, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, while confirmatory test is Western blot test. 31. The disease caused by virus is malaria, caused by Plasmodium, which is protozoan disease. Influenza caused by virus. Diphtheria caused by bacteria. Syphilis also caused by bacteria. 32. Which disease is transmitted by fecal-oral route? Typhoid transmitted fecal-oral route. AIDS. There are three methods of transmission of AIDS. One is sexual intercourse, another is blood contact, another vertical contact. Tetanus. Elephantiasis is transmitted by Culex. Mosquito. 33. Causative agent of typhoid in human is typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi and paratyphi. Salmonella paratyphi. 34. Salmonella typhi mainly affects, which is typhoid. It affects small intestine. Ileum. In ileum, there is lymphoid tissue known as Pierce patches, in which typhoid mostly affects. So answer is ileum. 35. Typhoid is the disease in which there is infection of small intestine, ileum. Also specific is Pierce patches. Pierce patches. 36. Coffee contains a substance which stimulates the nervous system called caffeine. That is mild stimulant. Also, tea contains caffeine. Strong stimulant is amphetamine and cocaine. Strong stimulants are amphetamine and cocaine, while mild stimulant is caffeine. Pap smear examination is used in the detection of cervical cancer, which is caused by HPV, human papilloma virus. Screening test of breast cancer is mammogram. That is biopsy of breast. 38. A 17-year-old obese girl developed wrinkles in face, armpit, and thigh. What would be the probable cause? This would be drug abuse. Which of the following is a narcotic? To remember opiate narcotic, we can remember Hirocmp, heroin, C, codeine, M, morphine, and P, pethidine. So which of the following is narcotic? Answer is morphine. We can remember as Hirocmp, heroin, codeine, morphine, pethidine. LSD is hallucinogen. Which of the following is not a psychoactive drug? LSD is hallucinogen. Marijuana is also psychoactive drug. Heroin, this is opiate narcotics. However, aspirin is antipyretic and analgesic, both. In this way, we finished 20 questions. This much for